Welcome to practice set number 3 in the multiple choice self-guided review. You're probably accessing this video because you're wondering, how on earth is that the right answer? Or maybe you just are interested. Old vowels, new vowels is what's the first question on this set. They make us a array that says true, false, true, true. Then they make a brand new array that's 4 spots big. We're going to start at, for old vowels dot length minus 1, we're going to start at spot 3, which is good. We're going to go greater than or equal to 0, j minus minus. So into old vowels, j, I'm going to put, so 3, so true, I'm going to put in the last guy. So what I'm going to do is it's not true, so I'm going to put false at the end. And then I'm going to put false, because I'm just going backwards through the old vowels array. True, and then false. So I'm going to get an answer of false, true, false, false. C is what we're getting there. Be careful, this is going backwards. Got to be careful when you get your answer there. Number two is a lot. You're going through an array list, you're removing things, you're checking to see if a guy's next door, and they're saying, oh, it's not working as intended. So what that tells me is that this answer is definitely not going to be A, because that removes everybody correctly. So what I did is I literally had to go through this code. It's annoying. I had to track stuff. It takes a while. So what we're going to do is we're going to track K is 1. That's what we're starting at. And I'm going to start with 27555566333 because that's the number that they told us, right? So I'm going to be looking at spot 1 and spot 0. So I'm going to be looking 0 and 1. And I'm going to see if they are the same. Dot equals, right? They're not. If they were, I'd remove 0. So in this case, not removing. So I'm going to go to k equals 2. I'm going to use this guy up here again to check. They're not equal, so nobody's going to get removed. So I'm just going to have to copy down my array here. And then we're going to check for the next guy. K is 3, so I'm going to check spot 2 and spot 3. They are the same, right? Which removes spot 3. So 0, 1, 2. I'm going to remove this 5. So my K is going to go up to 4. I'm going to rewrite my new thing is 3, 3, 3. Okay, so that means I'm going to look at spot 3 and spot 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the same again, so I'm going to remove spot 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rewrite. Okay, running out of room. Now I'm going to be looking at K is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to be looking at 5 and 4. So this guy and that guy. And they are the same. So I'm going to remove that guy. So I'm going to get 2, 7, 5, 5, 6, 3, 3, 3. Keep going. K is now 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm looking at that 3 and that 3. They are the same guy. So I do need to remove the guy at 6. So 2, 7, 5, 5, 6, 3, 3. And K is 7. And notice that is bigger than the size of my array list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's equal. And I have to be less than. So this is, whoa, my final answer, which is now very confusing to look at. Something's going on with my computer here. Whoa. Silly Marsh. Tricks are for kids. I don't even know what I'm doing there. 2, 5, 2, 7, 5, 5, 6. 2, 7, 5, 5, 5, 6, 3, 3. C for an answer. We're just going to let that exist over there. Let's take a look at number 3. So it's a 2D array that I'm going through. This is meaning for every a row in my array. So I'm going to go row by row, starting at 0 in that row, going to, but not including the last guy. So I'm actually going to be doing this, and this. And it looks like I'm just summing up those numbers. So it looks like I'm going to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11, which gives us a total of, ooh, good question, 3, 6, 11, 17, 24, 33, 43, 54. B for a final answer. And that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed going through the questions. I will see you later, Savers.